Hello dear student, myself Dr. Sureka B. Jaiswal, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of Physics, Moreshwar College, Bhokardan, District, Jalna. Today we will study topic transistor. Now in content, introduction of transistor, definition, function of transistor, type of transistor, transistor symbol, biasing of transistor, and working of PNP transistor and working of NPN transistors. Now see in introduction, transistor invented in 1948 by J. Bardeen and W.H. Brattain of Bell Telephone Laboratories, USA. Transistor has now become the heart of most electronic applications. A transistor consists of two p-n junctions formed by sandwiching either p-type or n-type semiconductor between a pair of opposite types. Now there are three terminals taken from each type of semiconductors. The middle section is a very thin layer. This is the most important factor in the function of a transistor. A transistor transfers a signal from low resistance to high resistance. The prefix trans means the signal transfer property of the device, while star classifies it as a solid element in the same general family with resistor. Definition of transistor. Transistor is an electronic device made up of three layers of semiconductor material that can act as an insulator and conductor. The three-layer transistor is also known as the bipolar junction transistor. Function of transistors. Transistors amplify current. For example, they can be used to amplify the small output current from a logic chip so that it can operate a lamp, relay or other high current device. In many circuits, a resistor is used to convert the changing current to a changing voltage. So the transistor is being used to amplify voltage. So in first case, the function of transistor is to amplify voltage. Second, a transistor may be used as a switch, either fully or with maximum current, or fully off with no current, and as an amplifier, always partly on. The amount of current amplification is called the current gain, symbol HFE. Bipolar junction transistor BJT. The term bipolar refers to the use of both holes and electrons as charge carriers in the transistor structure. There are two types of BJTs, the NPN and PNP. Types of transistor. Now see in circuit. Symbol of NPN transistor as shown in figure. See here. The emitter terminal is in away from the base as shown in figure in NPN transistor. Three terminals are here: emitter, base and collectors. Now here in this figure, emitter, base, collector. In PNP transistor, emitter terminals, that arrow is shown towards the base. There are two types of standard transistors, NPN and PNP with different circuit symbol. The letters refer to the layers of semiconductor material used to make the transistor. Most transistors used today are NPN because this is the easiest type to make from silicon. If you are new to electronics, it is best to start by learning how use NPN transistor. The leads are labeled base, collector and emitter. Base is denoted by in figure here B. Collector terminal is shown in C and emitter terminal is shown by E. Transistor, it has got three parts: emitter, base and collector as shown in figure. Meaning of forward biasing: when the P side is applied positive and N side is applied negative in a junction and applied voltage is greater than a threshold 0.65 volt for silicon. Meaning of reverse biasing: when the P type is applied negative and N side applied positive, a junction and applied voltage is between 0 to breakdown voltage. Now working of PNP transistor. Figure shows the working of PNP transistor, that is basic connection of PNP transistor. Now in the figure, the forward bias causes the holes in the P-type emitter. See in figure that P-type material, here the majority of carriers are holes. The forward bias causes the holes in the P-type emitter to flow towards the base as shown in figure. From these holes are flow towards the base here as shown in figure. These constitute the emitter current IE. As these holes cross into N-type base, they tend to continue with the electrons, and current conduction with PNP transistor is by holes as shown in figure. Now working of NPN transistor. Figure shows the basic connection of NPN transistor. Now here the middle terminal of this NPN transistor is having P-type material and consists of here, that is as shown in figure. Now in NPN type with forward bias to emitter base junction and reverse bias to collector base junction. Forward bias causes the electrons in the N-type emitter to flow towards the base. As these electrons flow from the P-type base, then they tends to constitute the holes. It is clear that emitter current is the sum of collector and base current as shown in figure. Thank you.